A completely clean repository, not a single line of malicious code. It still compromised the machine. Mozilla's researchers showed that tricking a coding agent into running one normal-looking setup command is enough to open a reverse shell, invisible to static scans and code review. This isn't a single product flaw. Every AI coding agent that can autonomously read and move code shares this exposure. Bulk exfiltration, faster than any human review can catch. For enterprises, that means core code assets and trade secrets can leave the building before anyone notices. This attack evaded review because it was invisible. But for enterprises, the real question isn't whether you can see every attack. It's whether you can control the point where data leaves. That's exactly the problem AnySecura solves. In the AnySecura console, this application control policy is already configured. Cursor is set as a blocked program. Back on the desktop, let's try opening it. The system recognizes it and denies the launch. Encrypt this file with a right click. Opened inside the authorized environment, the content reads normally. Now copy it outside. And open it again. It's unreadable without authorization. AnySecura helps enterprises see every risk point and control every exit for their data. Exclusive configuration, available now. Book your free custom demo.